morning, students. Myself, Dr. Pooja Bhardwaj. Today, I am giving you a brief introduction of organizational behavior, or which you can call concept of organizational behavior. After this presentation, you are able to understand clearly what is the organizational behavior. So, before starting it, we need to share that what is organization, what is behavior. But as far as my thinking, you all are aware about the organization and its behavior a little bit, a layman, as a layman. But let me tell you that organizational behavior, what is this? This is, or you can say this, that organizational behavior is a field of study that investigates the impact that individual groups and organizational structure have on behavior within the organization for the purpose of applying such knowledge towards improving organizational effectiveness. As far as दिस थिंग्स दैट ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल बिहेवियर क्या है, ये एक उन चीजों का इन्वेस्टिगेट करता है बेसिकली, या यू कैन से दिस, ये उन चीजों को आगे लेके जाता है जो जितना भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से रिलेटेड आपका काम चल रहा है, ये इसमें आप समझते हैं ना 3Ms, मैन, मटेरियल, मशीन्स, इन सब से रिलेटेड जो भी काम है, जो भी एक्टिविटी है, उन सबको कोऑर्डिनेट करना, investigate karna, what are the requirement for this and what we have right now, that all things is to improving the existing work and for the future effectiveness of the organization. This is called basically organizational behavior. In this slides, you can see this, the systematic study and application of knowledge about how individual and group act within the organization वेयर दे वर्क, कि मतलब कितना नॉलेजेबल तरीके से, कितना अपना नॉलेज को हर एक इंडिविजुअल जो उस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से जुड़ा हुआ है इन एनी फॉर्म, किस तरह से अपनी काम को करता है, उसके काम को करने का तरीका और उसको काम कैसे करना है, कैसे नहीं करना है, क्या क्या चीजें उसके पास होनी चाहिए, क्या नहीं होनी चाहिए, ये सब सिस्टमेटिक स्टडी कौन कराता है आपको, दैट इज ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बिहेवियर. So you can say this, that in organization behavior, we do study the application of knowledge about how individual and group act within the organization where they work. We can get more clarity about organizational behavior in this definitions, that is says organizational behavior is the field of study that investigate the impact that individual, group and structure have on behavior within the organization for the purpose of applying such knowledge towards improving an organizational effectiveness. You can say you can see in this graph or in this diagram that individual, group and organizations. So individual and group both are included in the organization, and organization is a very much bigger rather than a group or than an individual. Individual are smaller than group and group is smaller than organization. So organization is the largest part of the business behavior. So you get the above definition has three meanings. Basically, the above definitions has three meanings for this. सबसे पहले क्या निकल के आता है इसमें, elements. First, organizational behavior is an investigate study of individuals and groups. Second, सबसे पहला element आया निकल के. Then second is the impact of organizational structure. Organizational structure we will study in the next PPT or in the next lecture, that what is the organizational structure. So impact of organizational structure on human behavior. And the third one is the application of knowledge to achieve organizational effectiveness. You can see this, to the investigate the impact of individual. Then second is purpose of applying knowledge, and third one is to make sure the organizational effectiveness is more effective in the future. So these factors are interactive in nature, and the impact of such behavior is applied to various systems so that the goals are achieved. The nature of a study of organizational behavior is investigate to establish causes and effects relationship. Reminded that causes and effect relationships, they establish such type of relation. Organizational behavior involves integration of a study undertaken relating to the behavioral science. It studies all the behavioral science in which includes like psychology, sociology, anthropology, economics, social science, psychology and पॉलिटिकल साइंस एक्सेट्रा. सो छोटा छोटा अगर आप देखें कि जितनी भी तरह का साइंस है, जितनी चाहे वो मानव व्यवहार है, चाहे साइकोलॉजी है, चाहे इकोनॉमिक्स है, सब चीजों को मिला के तो एक ह्यूमन नेचर बनता है ना. तो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में सभी लोग काम करते हैं, सभी तरह का नेचर का हमें इन्वेस्टिगेट करना होता है और उसके बिहेवियर को हमें जज करना होता है, इन्वेस्टिगेट करना होता है. सो द एम ऑफ द स्टडी इज टू, और इसका एम क्या होता है, which is to ensure that the human behavior contributes toward growth of the organization and greater efficiency is achieved. Organizational behavior can be defined also in the study and application of knowledge about the human behavior related to the other elements of an organization, such as structure, technology, and social system. Let's move forward. In the second slide now, what is the need of social organizational behavior? जरूरत क्या है organizational behavior की? जब organization है तो सभी लोग कर लेंगे ना इसको, लेकिन no, there are some specifically needs of organizational behavior. In this, here we can discuss the following organizational behavior needs, or you can say the importance that OB means organizational behavior. In short, we are saying this, the OB helps to learn about how to deal with others, how to deal, हम किस तरह से दूसरों के साथ डील कर सकते हैं, किस तरह से हम अपनी बात को रख सकते हैं. Organizational behavior is a way of thinking. By the organizational behavior, it get to able you know that how much you think about yourself, or how can you think better and better to make the more effective organizational structure or organizational effectiveness of to do the work. The field of organizational behavior is performance oriented. Organizational behavior satisfies the need to understand and predict. It also helps किसके लिए, आपको चीजों को समझने के लिए, उनसे सेटिस्फाइड होने के लिए, और फ्यूचर प्रेडिक्शंस के लिए भी आपकी हेल्प करता है. OB helps the manager to understand the basis of motivation and what he should do to motivate his subordinates. बट ऑब्वियस है, जब आप इतना इन्वेस्टिगेट कर रहे हैं, इतना किसी के बिहेवियर को स्टडी कर रहे हैं, तो ऑब्वियसली आपको उसको मोटिवेट करने के और तरीके भी पता पड़ेंगे कि किस तरह से आप उसको मोटिवेट कर सकते हैं, क्या चीज उसको अट्रैक्ट कर सकती है, क्या नहीं कर सकती है. OB helps to maintain individual relation, which helps to increase the overall productivity of the industry. The subject of organizational behavior is useful in the field of marketing. Yes, it is very much useful in the marketing, because by the help of OB, you can actually judge the market strategy, market nature, market mood, etc. On this, all the marketing strategies will be based. It helps greatly in improving more interrelationship in the organization, friendly and cordial relation between employees and management, and also among the employees create good environment in organization. It also helps to understand the cause of the problem, predict in the future course of action and control its evil consequences. ओबी का सबसे बड़ा काम क्या है कि जब आप इतना इन्वेस्टिगेट कर लेते हैं किसी चीज को, तो ये बहुत सारी चीजों में आपकी हेल्प करता है. उसमें सबसे बड़ी चीज क्या होती है कि ये प्रॉब्लम का कॉज पता चल जाता है आपको कि इसका कारण क्या है. फिर आप फ्यूचर को भी प्रिडिक्ट कर सकते हैं और प्रॉब्लम का सॉल्यूशन भी ढूंढ सकते हैं। देन फ्यूचर में जैसे भी कंट्रोल आपको करना है, कोर्स ऑफ एक्शन आपको अप्लाई करना है, यू कैन एबल, एंड जो भी उसके बुरे होने वाले कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस हैं, जो भी बुरा प्रभाव पड़ने वाला है, उसको आप अच्छे से रिजॉल्व कर सकते हैं पहले से ही। ओबी implies that the effective utilization of people working in the organization and success of the organization. So these are the importance or need of the organizational behavior. Now on the basis of this we can discuss the nature of organization behavior. What are the nature? Nature क्या है इसमें? इसका सबसे पहला चीज होती है, it has assumed the status of distinct field of study. It is a part of journal management. ठीक है? It contain a body of theory, research, application associated when growing concern for a work in place. The study of theories and research experience of organization facilitate managers for creative thinking to solve human problems in organizations. OB has psychological foundation. The concept like learning, perception, attitude, motivation, etc. is borrowed from psychology, sociology, and anthropology. Now, what is the scope of OB? There are the huge scope of OB, but here we will discuss in short, that is, it improves or it will impact of personality on performances. It will help to employee motivation. It will help to leadership, and it tells how to create effective teams and group. Then study of different organizational structure. It helps individual behavior, attitude, learning. We already discussed this, that perception, attitude, individual behavior, learning, job design, cultural effectiveness, cultural diversity, organizational culture, transactional analysis, group behavior, study of emotions. All these things are the various huge scope of the organizational behavior has to be there to improve the effectiveness of any organizations. So thank you class, hope you learn it very well. All the best, all the very best for your future. Thank you.